What's going on? Today we are working on a Polaris Slingshot out here in Dallas, Texas. It's a 2016 model. And what's funny is when I was getting what I needed for the oil change, they asked me what year it was, and I told them the year it was for. It was a 2016. They said, "Oh, you got the good one." And I was like, "What does that mean?" And apparently, I guess all the newer Polaris Slingshots that's been coming out, I guess closer to the COVID area, not the same. They have a GM 4-cylinder engine, kind of similar to the one that's in Chevy Cobalt, Pontiac G5, Chevy Equinox.
That is a pretty tree.
I like to confirm before I just start rolling up into people's property and whatnot. Also,
it up. Yeah, I looked it up on the damn thing. General motivation, motherfucker.
mm-hmm.
I said, man, y'all tripping like a motherfucker, man. So I quit driving, motherfucker. I gave the a couple times.
That don't make no sense.
Gonna let that engine oil warm up.
All right, once you got it safety lifted up, this is where I lifted it up from, kind of like the center of the frame, using 2 jacks. I'm using one of my shirts to kind of like just keep it from metal to metal and make sure it's also like a solid contact. It's a 15mm drain screw. It's gonna take 5 quarts of oil. Let's get to it. We got that oil draining. Got it on the slow drip too. I had it running for about 10 minutes. Get it up to that temperature. I liked it. Get it up to that temperature. That way it can kind of flow out. The oil filter's on top. Alright, it got a little hot. But what I was gonna say was, I know a lot of y'all, when y'all working on y'all stuff, y'all don't have a lot of tools that y'all use. So I try to use stuff that kind of like out the box. So this is what I did this time. If you don't have the tool, the proper tool to take that filter loose, you can use a wrench, kind of get it on there stiff, put it in the center of that, and just kind of twist it slowly and make sure you got it centered on there and make sure you're not cracking the plastic. If it's been exposed to a lot of elements and stuff like that, I probably wouldn't even bother using this method, because you could potentially damage that plastic filter, and if it cracks, it's gonna leak oil. So better to use the right tool. But if you don't have the right tool, this is an alternate method also. Use at your own risk. All right, got the filter out. Look at that. looks like a GM9911 filter. All right, so this filter actually comes with the new O-ring and the filter, like the whole canister itself. So that's pretty cool. One thing I'd probably recommend is just oiling up this gasket before you install it. Make sure there's no tears in it. All right, and we got the O-ring for the, that's an expensive ass O-ring. Bruh. Anyways, gotta pay to play. Got that O-ring for the drain pan. This is a scam. Let me show y'all this shit. Hold on. This is $9.25. This is crazy. All right. Check this air filter out too. Looks actually pretty new. That's good. At least they got that changed recently. All right, now we topped off the oil, added the 5 quarts, checked for leaks. Now I'm gonna bring it to running temperature, check for any additional leaks, clean up all this mess. Good to go to the next appointment. Told them the model, it was like, ooh, you got one of the good ones. And I was like, what's that supposed to mean? Is it like, are the newer ones, they have recalls? And it was like, no comment. That's all they could say. It was like, but definitely don't trade it in. Just stay up on the maintenance. You'll be good to go. Oh, I can only imagine. I had a lot of family in Baton Rouge, and we would go to the racetrack in Port Allen out there. They had a Monte Carlos, like a 2002 Camaro, and a couple other cars that they would race. It was nice though. Oh, okay. It's nice. You plan on bringing it back to life?
No, I'm gonna set it back.
Oh, okay. I bet. How much would you want for it? About 12. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, so it's got like the different stage cams and the crank and all that? That's what's up. Yeah, this is nice. You can definitely get that much for it too. Do you have it listed or? Okay. That's good too. That way you can actually. All right, now we heading to Irving for the next appointment. But that's probably gonna be another episode. Until next time.